Hey everybody, my name is Joe. I'm head of manufacturing here at David Matt Vans. Today I get to show you our first ever LV5 that rolled off the production line, so come check it out. We start with a RAM 2500 in the 159 wheelbase as our starting point. This one has our optional swivel seats with both of them being able to turn around, which makes it quite nice for when you're in kind of the camping mode to be able to turn them. It opens up a lot of space, additional seating for friends or family or just yourself. And yeah, we'll kind of start at the front and move to the back. So up here, this is probably one of our larger storage areas. It might look small on video, but it's actually quite large. This is for all your kind of knickknacks, camping goods, camp chairs, whatever you might want to stash up here. There's a lot of space. This LV we've tried to make as user-friendly and safe as possible. So we do have an onboard fire extinguisher stashed up there, kind of out of the way, but still very easily accessible. Up here is our first fan. We actually have two in this van, which really creates a great airflow for those hot days or when you're cooking. You can open them up and you can either have them pointed in or pointed out, so you can really get air circulating. As we move back, you're going to get into our all new all-electric kitchenette. This thing has been awesome. It comes with an induction cooktop. It's 1800 watts. This guy has enough power to sear that steak or low enough to simmer the risotto. So it's awesome. We really enjoy it. Kind of for your storage for your kitchen, you have your overhead storage, which has a nice cabinet with latches so things don't fall out. This lip is really handy, so while you're traveling, you're not concerned about something hitting this and falling open. So it's really convenient. A lot of great storage. Built into the bottom of this, we do have a dimmable light. This light allows you to kind of set the mood, adjust it how you need it. It's quite convenient, kind of for those nights where you don't need it super bright, but you do want a little ambient lighting. Next to this light switch, we have an additional dimmer for our second zone of lighting, which is actually the back of the van, excuse me. So you can see it. It has a really nice glow to it. We spent a lot of time actually trying to figure out how to get the light to radiate, so it's not, you know, shining directly into your face. So it turned out great. We really like it. You know, it gives off a lot of light. So yeah, those are our two switches kind of for our main zones. We kind of have two other zones. These won't be on dimmers. So this is kind of that switch when you open up the van and you want to see inside. It allows you to reach and kind of see before you hop in. It also turns on and off your storage above the cab, so you can kind of see where you stash your things. This van comes equipped with our optional seat. This is quite nice, kind of for friends, or you know, if you want to throw your kids in. It folds up, lowers down, locks into place, and then you just flip it up and you're ready to go. This is pull tested from the factory that we purchased them from, so they are quite safe. The seat belts are built into the seat, so you don't have to worry about anything bolted to the ground. This does come installed on our production line if you choose that option, but we also do add it as an add-on. So if you get your van and you know, add a family member or you have friends, you can add this seat later on. So it's nice and convenient. It does fold up and locks into place, so while you're driving, you don't have any rattles. It stays put, which allows a lot of space to move around. So getting back to kind of our all-electric kitchenette, underneath the induction plate you have one of our larger drawers. Allows for all your cooking supplies, maybe even some food. In this one, they are push-lock drawers. So again, you really don't have to worry about it popping open while you're traveling, which is very reassuring. Up top, we kind of have our spice rack or Nalgene holder, depending on what you want to put in there. This thing is really convenient for your small knickknacks, sunglasses, spices, anything that you might need just to grab, real handy. You can fit a lot of stuff up there. We got our sink right here. You got on off, and then you have the extendable head. So if you want to, spray something or clean something off, or even sometimes you can use it as a shower if you put it out the window. For this, we have our fridge. You got a little ice box up here for frozen goods, and then just your standard fridge down below. This does have temperature controls up top, so if you want to turn it colder, or if you don't want anything to freeze, you can turn it up a little bit. So then, under this is kind of our plumbing of the van. This is made intentionally to be extremely simple. There's really nothing to it. If you need to fill up or empty, all you're going to do is remove this knob. And then this guy is just gonna lift out. So you remove that, and these tanks are now free. What this does, it allows really easy access to the tanks to fill up or empty. A lot of times you have gray or fresh water tanks that are mounted below or require a special fill up. We wanted to add convenience to our customer, so we kept it truly as simple as possible. We don't want our customers to need a degree in engineering to figure out how to use our vans. This van is truly made for everyone. I think there's a lot of things in here that look very simple, and again, that is intentional. Anyone can hop in this thing and use it. If you want to try one of these out, we do provide rentals, so check that out on our website. Getting over to the other side of our all-electric kitchenette, you're going to have some of our smaller drawers. Again, these are all push lock, so you can get, again, all of your cooking supplies or just general storage for the vans. This bottom one is our biggest drawer. It's quite deep. You can fit pots, pans, cleaning supplies, a lot of groceries, whatever you might want to keep in your van. So that's our kitchenette. We're gonna keep moving backwards. This is our control center. So you're gonna see kind of some knobs and switches. We already talked about our light switch, but what we didn't talk about is our USB plugins. A lot of times we have cameras or lights or flashlights, anything like that. So we provide this so you can charge your phone or any other small power equipment. Down here, this is actually 110 volt, so you can plug in your kitchen appliances, which is nice. It's really convenient if you want to bring like a little blender or something like that. Feel free to plug it in. This switch is for a water pump underneath. Again, it's made to be super simple, so it just pumps the water up. Once that's turned on, the water actually won't flow until you turn it on at the faucet level, so you don't have to worry about flipping that on and spraying everywhere. Then as we move up, we do have our solar controller. So we have a few different power options. You can get the basic or boost plus. Those are going to be installed on the roof. And then this is how you're going to control it. There's a lot of great info that's given from this thing. And if you ever choose to get one of our vans, our new van days, we walk you through all this stuff. And then right above it is our controller for our inverter. So that allows you to operate 12 volt or 110 volt within our power system, which makes this truly convenient. You're not only attached to 12 volt, which the vehicle standard produces. As you move back in the van, we have our dinette seating. You have two storage bins here. Take a look. In a van, space is of the utmost value. So these guys are extremely convenient. It's easy enough. You just pull off the lid, store whatever you need to down below. And what's nice about it, so this is our table. We use a Lagoon table. There's a few adjustments. This thing can lock in so it doesn't move down below, but you can kind of move it where you want to. You can set it up out of the way if you don't want it and you want to move around. You can pull it out and you can either use it, as yourself, or you can have, a guest or a friend or a spouse next to you. And so in this mode, it's really great for working. A lot of us here, we'll work out of vans, some live-in vans. These tables are awesome. We provide 2 mounts actually, so you can remove this from the back side of this with very minimal effort. It's a simple knob just like this one. So the second mount is actually on this side. So if you want to take a look, Matt, it's right there. So what that allows is kind of the modular use of space. So with these being able to swivel, you can grab that table, move it up here, and now you have a second area for dinette seating, which is really nice. Or you can leave it back here and have it back here for eating or hanging out. So we just like to provide options. Again, we'll keep moving back. So this is going to be our bed. We use an awesome mattress. It's actually dual density. So if you flip it on one side, it's going to be firm. If you flip it over, it's actually going to be a little bit softer. They're really, really high quality. We had concerns that other companies might be putting, mattresses that would last, only so long. But we figured after a long day doing activities, we wanted a good night's sleep. So this is one of the best mattresses we found. It's awesome. We really enjoy it. We'll keep going back. I'll talk about up here, and then we'll actually hop back outside and open up the back doors so you can kind of see our garage. So these are going to be our slat walls, our drop-in storage. These things, again, theme is modularity, allows you to kind of take accessories that slide into this, and you can kind of make your space your own. From the video, I hope you can tell, this is a very simple, refined van that took a lot of effort. We didn't want to throw everything in it, which makes it sometimes unusable for certain uses. So we like to keep it simple and also flexible. So this provides a lot of flexibility. You can put shelves on here. You can switch the shelves back and forth. So again, you're gonna play with it. You're gonna make this van your home, your own space, which we really appreciate. All right, I think we're gonna go outside now. Come take a look. All right, so here's looking in from the back at our garage. There's a few little details I'm especially fond of. Come take a look at this. We believe in this wholeheartedly. This is a big deal to us. It's kind of our guiding light in many ways. So yeah, we'll kind of transition. I talked to you about the drop-in storage up here. We provide the same drop-in storage solutions for the back door. A lot of times that's unusable space, but in a van, we try to maximize the usage of our space. So we left plenty of room in between this and our battery box, so you can close it with no problem. You can have, your biking gear, your cleaning gear, anything you might want to access quickly. Feel free to put on these. Inside our garage, if you want to look underneath, we have 2 sets of lights, so no matter how you pack, you'll still be able to see all your gear, supplies, or anything that you might pack in here. Again, we tried to maximize space. So there's a few cubbies. We have 2 identical ones within this box, and then on top, what we found is we put our tents, our chairs, anything that we wanted up here, even skis, but sometimes you take that sharp corner and they might rattle out. So we provided the system so you can take a bungee cord or a strap and strap everything in so it's nice and secure, so on those bumpy roads while you're exploring, you're not really concerned about things bouncing around. And as you kind of work left, it's hard to see from back here, but we have 3 more cubbies up towards the front. Those are awesome for, shoes or gear or clothing. And then we have a big open one here that you could put your camp stove, biking supplies, groceries, anything you might want to keep in the back. It's an excellent spot for it. And so this is kind of the heart of our van as far as the power goes. This is our power center. So all of your fuses, 110 volt and 12 volt are stored back here. It's very clear, simple. Again, you don't have to be an electrical engineer to use this. We tried to make it, convenient for everyone. That's our mission. Down here, again, we like our vans to be safe. We have the fire extinguisher up front. We have a fire alarm. We have our CO detector back here. So we really do feel safe sleeping in this. We have our second set of 110 volt outlets, which again, that's awesome if you want to plug in something while you're out here doing stuff. You could cook, you could clean, just provides a lot of options. And then this is our light switch for our garage lighting. So yeah, you can open up the back doors during the nighttime, flip it on and see all your stuff. Getting ready for that alpine start with all your gear, or coming back late after sunset. You really don't have any concerns of not being able to see your stuff. So that's kind of the rundown of our vans. I think this is probably one of our more exciting vans. We released our LV3 a couple months ago. The LV5 is one of our most popular models. We've had a lot of people itching to see it. We've been itching to use it. And so here it is. Hope you guys like it. Check out our website for more info on it. Thanks.